Hi guys, I'm back. All right, our second red word for this week is the number 2. And make sure you have your screen and your red crayon. We're going to go over the same way we did with number 1 and what we've done all year. Okay, are you ready? Your red crayon. I got to find mine. Hello. All right, here we go. This is the number 2. 3 times. TWO2. TWO2. One more time. TWO2. Good. Put your red crayon down. Get your finger. Feel the bumpies. TWO2. TWO2. One more time. TWO2. All right. Stand up. Put your paper in front. Let's tap it out. TWO2. 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 Good. Screen on top. Man, flying through these sight words. Ready? Here we go. TWO2. TWO2. One more time. TWO2. Good. Screen away. And let's write them 3 times. Okay, you ready? Got your red crayon? I got mine. Here we go. TWO2. TWO2. One more time. TWO2. All right. Flip it over like a pancake. It's the thinking bubble. All right. You get to write the word 2 by yourself. Good job. All right. Here's our sentence. You can put your red crayon away, and we are going to read our sentence or write our sentence today. And the sentence that I have for us is I have 2 fish. I have 2 fish. Let's see how many words we're going to write. I have 2 fish. How many words? Yeah, just 4 little words. First word is I. It always has to be capitalized. The letter I, when it's by itself, always has to be capitalized. And it's the beginning of our sentence, so it has to be capitalized that way too. I have. Now that's a red word. Have. Ha. A. V. And there's an E at the end. I have. And what's our red word? 2. Good. And fish. Can you write the word fish? F. I. And what 2 letters say shh? What 2 friends say shh? S and H. And how do we end our sentence? With a period. Nice. That was quick, wasn't it? Okay, if you're still working, that's okay. Just take your time. You can pause the video if you need to anytime. All right, you have a great day, and I will see you later.